Today I made some chicken wings as a starter. I had this for lunch one of the days also, and you all wanted the recipe. Keep watching, and the recipe is coming up. I've taken 1 kilo of chicken wings with skin. I've heated some oil, 2 chopped onions. Cook this for a little bit. When the onion changes color, add your chicken. Add some ginger paste and some garlic paste. Add your salt, some pepper powder, some green chilies based on how spicy you like it. Now you have to keep cooking this till the chicken is cooked. We'll cover it and cook it for a while. Basically, you have to keep cooking it till it becomes brown and caramelized. When the color changes like this, cook this on low for 15 minutes, but once in a while, keep stirring it. Once in a while, give it a stir. "15 minutes are over. Now we're going to keep cooking this on high flame till all the water dries up and the chicken becomes caramelized and brown. We're almost there. Keep cooking. Now the chicken is pretty much done. It's caramelized, smelling amazing. Now we're going to make the tadka. Chicken is nicely caramelized. The oil has come out of the chicken wing skin. It's going to be yummy. And this is a once in a while starter. For the tadka, take some ghee. When the ghee is hot, add 1 teaspoon of black mustard and some curry leaves. Now I've switched off the stove and I'm adding this to the chicken. Then cover it immediately. After some time, give it a mix and you're done. Now just give it a good mix. Please do try this dish. A long time ago I had made this with regular curry cut chicken. Sometimes you can just have this with some rice and dal. But today I'm going to serve it as a starter. So my childhood friend Indrajit, who we call Joy, is here, owner of Handi Biryani in Kolkata, will give us a taster. This is made for him and he's my childhood friend. Joy, tell me how it is.
Smells nice. Curry leaves, curry patta.
I'm nervous.
Nice. Very nice. The juicy aspect is there. Most important. The jhal is slowly coming out.
Yes, kacha lanka. Green chilies.
Yeah, this is the thing. Very nice. And the caramelization is very nice. The brownish, very nice. Good job.
Thank you. Means a lot. You know, you can also make this with regular curry cut chicken. I sometimes do it and just have it with dal and rice.
As a side, main side.
And I've also captured the recipe today. I'll share it with you.
Good job. Yummy.